Welcome back to Market Matters. I'm Khoo Chuang with Lynn, Tang and Charlotte Chong. Charlotte, you've got a very nice little stock for us.
Apollo Food
for
Holdings.
stock of the day, yeah.
Berhad, yes. We have seen ringgit. Weakening against the US dollar to about 4.23 today, and these actually benefit a lot of companies, especially those that exports their products overseas, like Haver bought 90% overseas. Apollo actually gained 40 to 50% of his sales from export, and Inside Asia like this stock because they think that the company is above market average yields, strong balance sheet, and steady operating cash flow. And stronger earnings were anticipated as the company is a beneficiary of the weakening ringgit and lower global commodity prices. CPO has gone down, rubber has gone down as well. Net profit jumped by an outsize of 95.7% year-on-year to 11.2 million because of the strengthening of the US dollar. Valuation remains attractive. Valuation is at about 11.7 times. When we look at its peers, Hapsing, it's at 19.7 times, and Oriental Food Industry is at 15.7 times. So it's comparatively cheaper than its peers.
You know, guys, it's quite an attractive little sector because, I mean, I met Hapsing Industries recently, and their brand of cream crackers, I think they're market leaders in them. Yeah, interesting. Cocoa Land, I think the subject of two or three suitors in the last 2 or 3 years. Very, very cash. Very, very inviting sector in terms of consumer demand, very domestic focused. I think quite resilient from the outside external problems.
They've been in the local front for so many years now. They've really got their own customer base, got their own brand name out there. And so I think
they
all
capture
these names
different
actually,
audience size. Like for Apollo, it's more for children, and Hapsing probably for
all ages. I grew up
older
with
people.
I don't know. I like cream crackers.
I love
to.
it. Yeah.
you know those ping pong biscuits.
From a value, I know, Chuang. Right.
No, seriously, really called ping
Let's
pong.
keep it to biscuits, right? Nothing else.
So, okay, guys, net cash increased to 100 million as at end July from 56.6 million in 2012. So it's actually doubled to 100 million. Back to you guys.
So I think two things, right, Chuang? So firstly, what caught me was in terms of the yield, it's higher than average, and secondly, its valuation, it's
12
lower
times.
than its
Well,
peers.
11.7 times, 1.4 times book. Seems quite cheap. Maybe there's a reason behind it. I think basically market share is quite a difficult one to get, and it takes some time. So
they have been giving up quite attractive yield. Yield is at about 5.4% in FY 2015.
Okay, so in summation, reasonably low valuations, net cash in the books, and cheaper than their peers. So interesting little stock for the future.
12 times, yeah.
Yeah.